Hi, Jeff Cote here with Pacific Yacht Systems. We've got a question here from a fellow boater asking, Jeff, do you recommend solar panels for powerboat owners or just for sailboats? Oh, man, that is an excellent question. In the past, I remember when I started boating about maybe 20 years ago, I'd say practically solar panels were just installed for the most part on sailboaters. Now, of course, there's always exceptions to every rule, and there might be 5% of powerboaters that might have solar, probably even less. But today, when we're doing solar panels, I'd say right now, we're actually doing more solar panels on powerboats than sailboaters. And I think the big difference is the fact that solar panels, especially these flexible ones, can actually be mounted on a hardtop or a canvas, and that aesthetically, the boat is going to look identical to what you fell in love with your boat. A lot of my boat owners tell me, Jay, they say, Jeff, I'm okay with doing solar panels and I want it, but I don't want it to look weird. I want the profile of my boat to look the same. When I look at the boat from a distance, I don't want it to look with too many straight lines. I like the curves of my boat. And that's the great advantage with these flexible solar panels is you can actually mount them on a hard surface, on canvas, and they'll actually follow the shape of your boat. So nowadays, I would say it's actually a 50-50 shift. And we're actually seeing more powerboaters taking on solar than in the past. Certainly it applies a lot to sailboaters. And one last point, bonus. I'm doing solar panels on powerboats that have not only one but two generators. And it's not that they can't run their generators, it's just they're choosing to run their DC loads off solar and having the power of the solar regeneration recharge their batteries. And they're leaving their generators to run large AC loads and maybe complement the battery charging with battery chargers. So even boat owners that have generators, that have battery chargers, are installing solar panels as a way to reduce their generator runtime. And so yeah, solar panels can definitely be installed on both powerboats and sailboats. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got further questions that we didn't answer, please ask them below or go on our website and fill out one of the forms and we'll get a chance to do so. Support us to keep this channel ad-free by donating via PayPal or buying one of these lovely hats. The links are below. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. That way you'll get the regular content. And in closing, thanks for watching.